When we are doing any type of circumduction, what's going to happen is the synovial fluid, which is the lubricating fluid that surrounds the joints, it ends up building up. So if you have somebody that is... Now we're just going to get started with the treatment. Okay, you can... Right now we're just going to start with a little bit of traction and circumduction. Always nice to start off with this. Just really helps to lubricate the joint and open up the hips. When we are doing any type of circumduction, what's going to happen is the synovial fluid, which is the lubricating fluid that surrounds the joints, it ends up building up. So if you have somebody that is very, very restricted, or if they have a lot of pain, it's really, really great to incorporate a little bit of circumduction. That way we could reduce friction when we get into the stretch, and it's going to allow us to get much deeper into the stretch later on. And right now we're going to be working on the lateral aspect of the hip. Right now, we are targeting the lateral compartment of the torso, hip, and also the leg. We're working a little bit on the obliques, the Quadratus Lumborum, the glute medius, glute minimus, TFL, and also the lateral hamstring, biceps femoris. So I'm just going to ask Alana to inhale, push her foot into my hip. And then she's going to exhale and relax. That inhale, push, exhale, relax. This is proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation. And what we are doing is we are stretching the muscle, and then the same muscle that we are stretching, we are going to have the patient contract that muscle. And now we're just doing the same thing, working on the lateral net on the left side just to balance everything out. And once we finish up on the lateral aspect of the hip, then we're going to start getting a little bit more specific, and we're going to isolate one leg at a time. We're going to start with the right leg before we move on to the left side. So what we're doing right now is
That was just a tiny taste of what can be found in my members only section. If you enjoyed it, become a member for only $5 a month to get access to hundreds of member only videos.